Hello all, I am Charu Shukla and I am Information Security Consultant at One Cyber Valley. Our company is a very good company and it is based in London. We are PCI QSA accredited company and we are having the best security consultants uh, who does the certification of ISO 27001 and various compliances. As you all know that information security has become a big concern for everyone nowadays because after the COVID-19 pandemic, people faced a lot. People were dependent on every time social media, and when it comes to a company started working from home. So companies, they do not majorly know about the repercussions of the breach of data um, until and unless they don't face that issues. So here in India, uh, digitalization has increased a lot, but in terms of security we are very much behind, because in comparison to other companies where I have audited as a consultant, I have seen that those countries take cyber security very seriously, because in their country there is a rule. For example, if you see in Europe, GDPR compliance is there. And if companies do not follow that compliance, then there is a huge loss to them. They have to pay huge fines. In India, it's not now, but in future it's coming. The data protection bill has been passed and it will become an act. So in future, when companies will see that they have to have compliant with that particular compliance in order to have their reach in market, they and in order to create trust in customers, and in order to have hold in their business, they will run towards it. Because in India, whenever you run for the things, when you require those things, you won't be running for the things if you do not require it. So my basic concern here is that being a company, if you are running an IT business, being a company, if you are running for example the websites like Flipkart, like Amazon and all, uh, you are having an e-commerce website. Now you are holding customers credentials, like their personal information, their financial information, their credit card numbers, their debit card numbers, their CVV, everything you are holding. Now how you are securing that data, it is the biggest concern. Because what happens here is that people do not take it seriously. If they are running a company, if they are having something, so they won't be interested in knowing whether they have to have think about cybersecurity seriously or not. But my primary concern here is that if you are running a business, why you are waiting that once your data will be breached, you will come to us and you will say that no, please save us from this and please save us from that. So at least you should have an assessment of your company, that whether your company is at the right pace or not. If they are holding in information, if they are carrying so much confidential information, then it's very much important in order to do assessment in that case, or hire some other party to do that assessment, because it would be very much beneficial for you all. So I'm not advertising anything about my company, but I'm just saying that I'm just creating an awareness that many cyber attacks have happened throughout the years in the world. I'm not talking about India, in the world. You are mostly dependent on digital platforms now. You are doing transactions, you are doing UPI transactions. UPI transactions, what are the UPI transaction platforms like Paytm, Google Pay? You are using Amazon Pay. Everything is there. You can do payment in just seconds. You can transfer money from yourself to another person in just seconds. So what you are doing? You are transferring that money from A to B. So what is happening here? Digital transaction is happening. What happened? What if someone, your data is gone in between? Then who will be liable for that? So my matter of concern is that you should take cyber security very much seriously. And our company is based in London. We are having our headquarters are in London, but we are working from India. We are the consultants from One Cyber Valley, India. So our assurance will be, if you need us, if you need any kind of service from us, we will always be there to help you out in achieving the certification of ISO 27001 and PCI DSS. Basically, PCI DSS is a compliance for payment security. If you are holding, storing, or uh, processing credit card, debit card information, financial information, in that case we will help you to achieve a compliance in order to save your data. Like, it is a PCI is a compliance of financial compliance, who assures that this company is trusted, and it is a secured company, and it will hold the financial data of the customers properly. We not only will give you the certification, we will all do the we will do the assessment of your organization, practical assessment of the organization, to see that where you are in terms of security. And after assessing those things, we will provide you the certification. So our core is PCI DSS, and we are the experts of PCI DSS. So please try to reach us if you think that cybersecurity is a major concern for you, or if you require something which will save your company from breaches. And not from breaches, I must say that if in future, if data protection bill becomes an act, it will become a compulsion for all the companies to have the certification of PCI DSS or ISO 27001. So please, if you don't have knowledge, if you don't know about all these things, you can just ping us, you can contact us, and you can reach us. Thank you.